So welcome students. In this question, you're given two statements. The first statement is that the common tangent to the curves y is equal to 16 root 3x and 2x square plus y square is equal to 4 have a parabola and an ellipse. The common tangent to these two curves is y is equal to 2x plus 2 root 3. The second statement says that if this is a common tangent to these two curves, then this has to be valid. And this equation has to be valid. So let us check the validity of these statements. So in these statements, you're being talked about the common tangents to these two curves. So let us find the common tangents to these two curves. The first is a parabola. So the general tangent to this parabola is y is equal to mx plus a by m. A is 4 root 3 by m, right? So we compare this with 4ax. A will be equal to 4 root 3 by m. So this is a general tangent to this parabola. Now if you go to this ellipse, this is x square by 2 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So what is the general equation of tangent to this ellipse? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. A square m square plus b square. Now if you want the common tangent, these two constants have to be same. So I'll square the constants and equate them. So 16 times 3 by m square is equal to, so if you square this side, 2m square plus 4. This implies 48 is equal to 2m power 4 plus 4m square. This implies m power 4 plus 2m square minus 24 is equal to 0. You can see that 24 is 6 into 4. So this can be split into plus 6m square minus 4m square. This implies m square times m square plus 6 minus 4 times m square plus 6 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to 4 or minus 6. So m square cannot be negative, so this is not valid. So m square is equal to 4. That means the slope of common tangent is plus or minus 2. Now if the slope is plus 2, the equation is y is equal to 2x plus, you put m is equal to 2 root 3. Or symmetrically you have y is equal to, if you put m is equal to minus 2 minus 2x minus 2 root 3. So the first statement is true, right? Because y is equal to 2x plus 2 root 3 is a common tangent. And this is a common tangent, then according to my solution, m square has to be equal to 4. So let us see if this is valid. If m square is equal to 4, m power 4 is 16, plus 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to 24. So this equation is getting satisfied. So this second statement is also true. Both the statements are true. But statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. Because this is just an intermediate step in the derivation. Just because this is happening, this will not be a common tangent. This is a common tangent because for the value m square is equal to 4, this constant and this constant are getting same. So statement 1 and statement 2 are true, but statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1, should be the right answer. Thank you.